Well, guest posting is you're reaching out to another blog or website and you're asking them if you can write an article on their website. There's a lot of advantages to doing this because A, you get to reach their audience. Maybe they have 10,000 readers that come to their website. Now you're being exposed to the people who will see that blog. So you get exposed to a new audience. It might drive referral traffic to your website. Those are all really good reasons. The reasons why we do it for SEO is because when you're writing your guest posts, you can decide about what you're talking about. You can talk about something that's the important pain point within your niche. You can write about that and you can strategically link back to your website from that article pretty easily. You can even link back to probably a couple of your pages on your website pretty easily. And what that will help you do is that you can tap into that website's audience. You can also now tap into that website's authority. Let's say you have a domain rating of 20 and they have a domain rating of 50. Now what will happen is that you're getting a link from their website, an editorial backlink from their website, which is the best type of backlink you can get. It's surrounded by keywords and it has an anchor tag or a keyword rich anchor tag and it's pointing back to your website. That's literally the best case scenario you can ever get in SEO. And you manufactured it through guest posting. When you are guest posting, the idea is to you're going to get rejections a lot. A lot of people don't even look at their emails that come through. You're going to have to play the volume game, play the numbers game, count in thousands or count in hundreds, not ones and twos. So how many emails did you send? I sent 1,000, 2,000 emails because that's what's going to take you. Volume is really important. The other thing is the copy on your emails is important and how you structure it. It always helps mention that you are happy to pay for that opportunity because that incentivizes people. And, guest posts can range anywhere from like $20 to $50 all the way up to 500 to 5,000 depending on the website that you're actually getting it from. But if you incentivize people with that, you're 90% more likely to get a response and get your guest posts up. The other advice I would give is always ask them about if they have any special instructions. It has to be 1,200 words. It has to have this many headings or it has to have images so that you're aware of it. It always helps to have a writing team in place. I don't know if everyone has that luxury, but if you do have writers, getting them to write that guest post, it always helps to add your internal links in most strategic places, ideally in the first 150 words, ideally around a lot of good other keywords, secondary keywords, and having a target keyword rich anchor tag. That's important. Apart from that, it's a numbers game. Try to be as relevant as possible. Try to have good copy and then try to incentivize people if you can, because that's really going to help.